egg grading. Food safety, hygienic design, and user-friendly machines are an absolute must in today's egg grading market, and we want to set the standard. With a capacity ranging from 70 to 600 cases per hour, we cover everything from small and agile units to the largest grading capacity in the world. The modular and flexible grader design allows you to configure the lanes to match the logistics flow. The configuration can include egg washers and egg dryers, and it can be equipped with UV disinfection, different types of cleaning systems, and of course, dirt, leak, and crack detection. Our graders have the world's highest number of standard parts and lowest number of wear parts compared to anybody. And the open design allows scales in the crack detector are water resistant. The mile-long feature list also includes self-calibrating scales, the most versatile and yet user-friendly software, overhead monitors, and of course, the smallest possible footprints. Please contact one of our specialists to find out more about how we can turn your egg grading into valuable business.